Hello there, this is Vinod Narayan. During lockdown, during stay at home, a lot of people who had, in some part of their life, abandoned the habit of reading would have tried to pick that up. Some of the people who probably wanted to start that habit would have started reading something. I do book reviews every now and then, and I recently figured that over the past 2 to 3 months, one of the videos that has got a lot of views was a book review I did of Viktor Frankl's Man's Search for Meaning. So I don't know if people were looking for book reviews and they found that, or people were truly looking for searching for meaning and they stumbled upon that video. But I thought this is a good time to restart some of the books I recently read. And today I have a book by Sanjeev Sanyal, Life Over Two Beers. Sanjeev Sanyal is an economist by profession. He's a principal economic advisor to the Ministry of Finance in India. He's also the author of Land of Seven Rivers, which is about the history of India's geography. And that's his most famous book, if I'm correct. I saw that book when I was buying this one, but I was looking out for a short fiction book, and this was a collection of 15 short fiction. What I liked about the book is some of the characters that you read in Sanjeev's stories seem to be connected with you. When I say connected with you, I don't mean that these are people that you would personally know, but at least these are people that you expect to exist. And maybe in one way or the other, you would have heard stories about them, or you thought that people like that would exist, maybe in your thoughts or in some past life. Stories like Caretaker, stories like Book, Troll, and Used Car Salesman. Those are interesting stories. They're very current. You know what I mean? They're current, they're present, and they're connected with what is happening in the world right now. They're funny stories. They're not very serious stories. So even for people who are just starting to read something, I would say uh, this book would be a good start. You'll get a feel of very simple stories, not complex, easy to understand language. And I say that because a lot of people who ask me what is a book I could start with. Now, I don't really remember what was the book I started with, so I can't really say. But I would think that if someone wants to start reading now, short stories are good, and short stories that are easy to understand. Some short stories are might be tough for people who start reading to understand. So this is a good book to get started. Life Over Two Beers. Maybe it is a title that also made me buy the book. Though I did not finish reading it in 2 beers. I mean, you could probably read the book in 2 beers, or maybe it all depends on how fast you drink or how slow you drink. Um, I think for me it would take about 3 to 4 beers, and but read it and savor each sip or each story. One of the stories, Troll, that was a story that in my Malayalam channel I have a series where I tell stories. So short stories that I read, I tell that story in Malayalam. So Troll was one of the stories that I took. I want to read Land of Seven Rivers, geography, history of India's geography. And apparently, what I learned is that Sanjeev, after working abroad, came to India and he traveled across India. And that connected with me as well. After so many years when I went to Kerala in 2020 Jan. I traveled across the length and breadth of the state, from Trivandrum to Kasargod and Kasargod to Wayanad. And it is a very different experience. You start looking at the world you live, the world you were born and you grew up, and how it has changed, how people have changed, and yet you feel connected with them. But I think what probably Sanjeev did was he traveled the breadth of India and then he went back all the way to the history of India's geography, probably. Anyway, this is an interesting book. Thanks, Sanjeev, for writing it. And I'll get hold of your Land of Seven Rivers. Thank you.